Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to see random live on Instagram. So if you are getting bored in Instagram and you want to see bunch of live videos and how you can see those random live videos, so I'm gonna tell you how to do. So you just have to swipe right and here you have to tap on live button. Now, after tapping on live button, you just have to go to a live for very short time. So it's going to be live. And here what you have to do is quickly, you just tap on the airplane icon which is in below. And here you have to send it to someone with your friend. So after sending to your friend, now you have to tap on cross and tap on add video and discard media, tap on discard. So what we have done is we basically started a live video, sent a link of live video to any of our friend and cancel the live video. So that's all. Now what you have to do is you just have to go to messages and here you have to check that message in which we sent live video notification to our friend. You have to tap on the chat and here you can see it is accessing us an information which is watch live video. You just have to tap on it. Now you guys can see it is bringing us bunch of live videos. So here you guys can see a bunch of live videos random and you can enjoy. So that's all for today guys. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.